Hi, Jody Dave here down at the allotment. Well, we haven't been down for a while because the weather's been atrocious. Plus, we've moved, so I've got to travel down a little bit. But we've sort of let it go a bit, so it's been very overgrown. So we've been down the last couple of days, tidying up and making some changes. So I'll flick this camera over onto the other side and give you a sort of tour. It'll look different. We're gonna try and make our grown area smaller because this bloody allotment is just far too big for us. So back at a tick. Okay, well that's for rhubarb. A lot of it's been cut back. Gillian's just took a load. Apple tree over there, got apples on. All this area from here down over, we're going to put the black stuff right away to the fence. So, what we're planning on doing is, we took that bed away, so all that soil's got to be shifted into it over there. We're going to plan on maybe putting the pond here, and this side, making a fence along here, putting a shed here. A wild garden over there, all this hopefully covered in, and just put weed membrane down so it can just be left. This will be sort of a entrance area. We're going to bring a fence down from here, so then this will enter our sort of growing part. So this will be our first bed. This has got broccoli and stuff in at the moment. Excuse everything's a mess at the moment because we're thinking stuff. This bed's got strawberries in, that bed's got strawberries in. This bed's, we've just put beetroot in. That bed's got onions in. That bed over there has got lettuce in. Everything's growing poor this year because of the weather. This is the area where we've just cleared the deck. We're working on. There is peas over there. So that soil, what we've just seen over there, is going to go in there, but we've got to fix this first. You've seen what greenhouses at the moment. That is a field of tatties. So that's all potatoes, and that's all our water butts. So this shed we're gonna strip down, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the roof on, put tarpaulin, put some wood around, and we're gonna use it because we've got loads of wood there, and we're gonna use it to hang the wood in so it's off the deck, and we'll put things so it's off the ground so it keeps it sort of dry and the air can go through it. So like a wood thing, and the other side to keep the wheelbarrows in. So that's what we've decided to do with that. Probably use a lot of these little panels for around that. That was a bed, and we're going to turn it into a bedding. So there's Gillian sitting there, daying out as usual. So nothing much I could show you, but yeah, we've had a week off, but we've only managed to get a couple of days in because of the weather. So, and I'm back to work next week, and guess what? The weather's going to get warmer. So, but hopefully we're going to come down tomorrow, do a little bit more work, bring the saw down and see if I can fix that, and hopefully next year do a little more planting. Maybe he's looking at getting this moved. What we're eventually going to do is get rid of this greenhouse, get a big polytunnel, get a bigger one, put right in this area. Take this fence down, and that's going to be the fence that'll split with. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you later on with another video. So, bye for now.